How's it going, YouTube? It's Reversal Trader King, where I find the most precise tops and the most precise bottoms in the stock market. Today, we are going to talk about a popular retail ticker called Muln, M-U-L-N. And great things about it, I'm going to share some ideas, technical analysis where I have been spot on to like the exact price almost, and I'll show you the exact system to this strategy of just the reversals. Let's get right into the chart. So, what we're looking at is a daily chart. I always look at daily charts for all of my things, weeklies too, but you can't really do weeklies with penny stocks, so you do the daily. And here's a daily chart for the Muln. And as you can see, I have all my indicators on here that I like the most. I have my Keltner here, and I customize the settings to how I like it because I didn't like the default. I have my KDJ, and RSI is just whatever. It just helps to see oversold or overbought. So what we want to look at is when it hits my red band, we have sell zones. Green band is buy zones. So let's do a recap of what we have seen before in our price action. When the price gets near it like this, we don't really take the trade. But when it takes this bottom band out, then you look for a nice trade. So, and we know with penny stocks, they can go up pretty massive with the returns. So you just kind of take what you get. So with this one, this was a really good one because the K on the KDJ was 1.81. And remember, when the K is really, the lower K gets, the more it has to bounce. So it hits this bottom band and then it shoots up 16, if not more, about 30% right in here. And then, it has to refresh. So then it hits right here and again. And I bought this actually too. I traded this a couple times. So I bought this one and it shot up 24%. So it had some good times. And then you could buy it right here and massive returns right here. But as you can see, the minute it gets near this, like when it gets extremely close to here, these are your safest levels. And it has to go to your middle band. And I use this as a sell zone because it's been acting like a sell zone. Every time it hits middle, it sells off. And that is the average of the mean. So, I remember this point. I actually played this right here just because the price was trying to get to $1. I did some research and it wants to just yeah, it wants to get to $1 because the main compliance. So I mean, but as you can see, just playing it near this band a little, it moved up 68%, almost actually 100% with this candle too. But just know that price will go back to the middle band. We're just not too sure when. And so then it kind of breaks, looks like this support level it held, just using basic support resistance here. So that's your low, and it goes back to middle. So I call this the no trade zone. I want to see it get to the bottom band or get super, super, super close to this if I'm going to trade it. And then I want to sell it when it gets to the upper band if I was going to short it or anything. So let's talk about some good things. Good things is this has a plenty of eyes on it. There's a lot of volume. So this can shoot up. If any penny stock can shoot up, it's going to be this one. It can shoot up very rapidly. I'm just looking back. Like, yeah, see all these for all the bag holders, we would have avoided all this. Nobody would be bag holders if you traded this system to this day like this. You would avoid all these gaps down. And then you can see like right here you have a sell zone. Right here you have a sell zone. Um if you get really close to the band, it does pump a little. I wouldn't have taken that nor that, but as you can see, the pump is pretty big when it gets near the bottom band. So you don't really feel like a bag holder. So yeah, this is ticker Muln. Very, very interesting. It's so far down here. I gotta literally zoom out just to find the price now. It's just been beaten down, and that seems to be the case with these retail stocks. But yeah, please join the Discord. It's a free Discord, no subscription, don't have to pay anything, and I do all the work for you. I post in trade alerts exactly what I look for. We took some DG calls today and made really, really nice gains. Um, yeah, that was pretty nice. And I put up a watch list of what I'm looking at so you could see exactly, okay, he's eyeing these, prepare to get into these positions, and only these positions. So we don't just take trades out of boredom. We don't take random trades. We take trades that are at the best levels and that meet my settings. And I have a whole YouTube of my setup so you can actually get it. Put a lot of time in it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed ticker Muln. This is my indication. We are in a no trade zone. So it's like flipping a coin right here. It could easily go to the top and it could easily go to the bottom. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but I do know it's going to go somewhere to these levels. Um, we want to take the best risk reward. Take it near this green band. Do not trade it. Definitely do not buy it when it hits the red band. That's miserable. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please join the Discord. I'll put the link in the bio and the link in the chat of the YouTube. So it's easy. Don't have to pay any money. And I promise you, you'll make a lot of money. Have a good evening.